Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm gonna see if AMSOIL can actually make your car cooler. So before I jump into this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Martin over at oil4enthusiast.com. I'll link that down below, along with his Twitter, which is at csynthetics, which is his Twitter handle. You can also check out my Twitter. I started a Twitter for this channel specifically so you can get pre-release stuff that I've never put out. I also talk to you guys about what I should be posting, etc. Normal Twitter stuff, but now I do have that at Mr. Robling. I can link that down below for you guys. But I wanted to thank Martin for sponsoring this video, my very first sponsor. And check him out. He'll give you all of the beautiful deals on AMSOIL, everything from oil to antifreeze like I'm doing in this one, test strips, oil test strips if you want to test your oil to see if there's like particles or if it's breaking down quicker than possible that you think. All that stuff is on his website. Go check it out. It's really helpful, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys too. So let's get started. Okay, so for the temperature test, what I'm going to use is this little OBD2 port. It's got Bluetooth built into it. So you plug this into your port down here in your OBD2, and the Bluetooth goes to your phone, which I'm currently using, not for long, and basically just read the data that your car puts out. So I'm going to put this in, and then I'm going to start reading what the temperatures are and what it gets up to. So along with the coolant, I also have Coolant Boost. Now, this is supposed to improve the heat transfer, horsepower, reliability, all the good stuff that comes in these fancy little bottles. But this stuff is supposed to help your engine run lower, and it's supposed to heat up quicker so you can get up to temperature so your car can run at its proper temp quicker. So I'm going to test this out in this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a before and after. I'm going to get the reads off of my OBD2 port up front, and I'm going to get a before and after. I'm going to do how long it takes to get up to temperature and what that temperature is when it gets up to temperature before the fan kicks on. And then I'm going to do the whole antifreeze thing here. I'm going to flush out the front, and then we're going to do an after to see if this helps, and if it does help, how much does it help. So here on the side, it'll tell you the ounces, and on the back, it'll tell you if you're just running straight water with no antifreeze, it's going to be 2 ounces per quart, and if you're doing antifreeze, it's 1 ounce per quart. So 4 quarts in a gallon, and that's what I used. I used gallon jugs to flush the whole system. So for each one of those gallons that I took out, I'm going to take out 4 ounces of this. So in total, I'm probably going to be putting in 8 ounces of this Coolant Boost. So I sped this up 4 times so you guys don't have to watch it for 15 minutes. So the one on the left is before I did the flush, and the one on the right is after I did the flush. Now these were both done at the same temperature days and the same time in the morning, so there's no bias there, but if you do want to take a bias, you can go ahead and look at the intake temperatures. That's why I included it in the little picture that you can see. So you can use that as an indicator at what the intake temperature was compared to what the temperature maybe under the hood was, where my car was sitting. So this is what it's going to look like after, I think this took about 15 minutes. So go ahead, watch through this, and see how fast one of them speeds up rather than the other one. And there you go, guys. I hope that helped you out. And again, another shout out to Martin for Oil for Enthusiasts. Go ahead and check him out. And if you guys want to do the same thing or grab some AMSOIL stuff, go ahead and check out down below and get into the description area and find him. Go over to the website, get some awesome stuff. So this video and the other video, hopefully this helps you guys out, and like, subscribe, and come back for more, because I know I'm going to be doing more to this Subaru.